This is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. Oh man. I made a really small change to an application I'm working on yesterday, which opened up this huge, unexpected new creative space. I recorded the following experiments and cut it together into this video. Enjoy. And if I rotate it, or even if I like scale it, you can see the whole tunnel starts to be sort of twisted and double rotated, which is like, I mean, it makes sense, but it's not really what I expected. Like, look at this. I expect that's actually. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is. I think I'm not quite doing my my matrix math properly yet, but oh man, that's so good. These strange, like, twisting. They remind me of like shark's eggs or snail shells. Like, look at that. That's a snail shell. You know, this is the current form that GEOM is. The only rule is move back on the z-axis. You know, it slowly creates this spiraling shell structure. You know, that moves through. Like, this is effectively a path, right? This is a series of paths, right? So there are those pulses traveling out to the outside of the sphere. You know, it's human-sized, but if you scale way out, you know, it's 10,000 times bigger than the biggest building. Very cool. That's really cool. Yeah, it just propagates. Oh man, this is what I want to do in that case. Is I want to be able to spin the cubes on the other two axes, right? There you go. Basic knowledge of maths come in handy. And what do I add? A 60-degree rotation per frame. You know? Oh man. Yeah, I really want to try some of this in VR, but I'm just having too much fun with too many details. Oh, this is gonna be good. This is gonna be so good. Oh man. I'm just trying to stay calm, basically. Like, that's really cool. Okay. Yeah, holy shit.